Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the historic neighborhood of Bowness, nestled in the northwest part of Calgary, Alberta. Bowness has been a beloved part of Calgary since it was established in 1911. The neighborhood was originally a separate town and was named after the nearby Bow River, with Bowness being derived from the English town of Bowness on Windermere, which also sits on a lake or river. This prime location makes Bowness a haven for nature lovers and those who enjoy an active lifestyle. Whether you're a longtime resident or new to the area, Bowness offers a warm and welcoming community with plenty of opportunities to enjoy the great outdoors and engage with your neighbors.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!